Tired of Zapier's tangled web and monthly fees slowing down your GoHighlevel automation? Let's ditch the middleman and connect your actions directly, saving you time and money. First, within GoHighlevel, navigate to the Automation or Workflow section. This is where we'll build the bridge for our AIR actions. Click on Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. We're crafting a custom solution. Now, the key is using webhook. Select incoming webhook as your trigger event. A webhook is a unique URL that acts like a direct line for AIR actions to communicate with GoHighlevel. Copy this URL. We'll need it later. Head over to your AIR actions platform. Find the specific action you want to trigger in GoHighlevel. Within its settings, look for a field labeled webhook URL, post URL, or something similar related to sending data to an external service. Paste the webhook URL you copied from GoHighlevel here. Next, configure the data you want to send. AIR actions likely allows you to select which data points from the action are sent through the webhook. Map the relevant fields, such as names, email addresses, or any other custom data you need within GoHighlevel. Back in GoHighlevel, define what happens after the webhook receives data. You can add actions like create, update contact, send SMS, add to opportunity, or any other automation GoHighlevel offers. The data sent from AIR actions will populate the fields in these actions. And that's it. You've successfully created a direct connection between AIR actions and GoHighlevel using webhooks. Bypassing Zapier, test your workflow to ensure everything's running smoothly, and enjoy the optimized automation and cost savings.